Hello friends, welcome to JavaFX GUI tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of the subseries label control. In this video we will see how to display a label with image. That means now we are concentrating on the second part of the example. So in the previous video we created a simple label. Now we will continue. So this time we will display a label along with an image. So for that, first we need to have an image instance. So this time we need to create a label with the image. So first we are creating a file instance and we pass our location of the image file, and we name this as img file. That means here we created a file instance. Then we create ImageView, and since we have the file instance, we use img file dot to URI dot to string. This is how we create image icon for the FX, and we name this as ImageView. Now we have the image icon ready. So this image is nothing but that home icon, whatever you saw previously. So now you have image view. After that, if you see here, we are constructing the label. The first parameter is the string or caption for the label. Second one is the icon, or we can say image for the label. So this is how we create the label. So we are using the overloaded constructor, and this constructor receives two parameters. One is string and another one is image view. So now we have label ready. We already know that the F panel controls, this is an observable list of a node, and we are adding our second label to that node. So now the Flowpane knows or the Flowpane contains two children. So if you see the Flowpane that acts as a root node that contains two children, one is our simple label and another one is the image label. And then, so this is a root, right? We will submit this root to the scene, and the scene is submitted to stage. You see how the laying out of the control is going on. So this root is nothing but our container here. Stage is managed by the container. Container manages to control simple label as well as image label. So this is how now when the FX runtime reads this scene graph, it knows that there are two nodes, both are UI control and managed by the root node. So it reads the simple label, presents that here, then it reads the image label node and presents that here. Alright, now it is demo time. We will add this a second piece of code. So this is the image which I stored in G drive temp folder. Now we will insert our piece of code between this specific location. So FPAN control, we are already using it. So here we create our image label control. We are already adding our first children to FPAN controls, which is a observable list. Now we are adding our second label. Alright, a file is from Java IO. it's a normal IO package file, and we create a file instance for our image location. Then we create image view out of the file URI. All right. Image view is from javafx.scene.image.imageview. Then we construct the label with the caption as well as the image view. Then we are adding it here to the scene graph. Now we will build this and run the file. Now we have simple label as well as a label with icon. So here the image is big. If you reduce the size of it, it will fit to the label like an icon. All right. So just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.